Hi, dear loving children. We come back again to the online classes. Stay safe at home. Few students didn't complete their notebook properly. So, dear children, you should complete your notebook within 2 days after each class and send to me through the WhatsApp. Last class, we have learned about herbivorous animals and their food. Plant-eating animals are called herbivores. Examples of herbivores are cow, goat, sheep, deer, zebra, giraffe, and elephant. They have sharp front teeth for cutting grass and leaves, and they have back strong teeth for grinding and chewing the food. Most of the herbivores eat grass and leaves. Few of them eat seeds, nuts, grains, fruit, stem, and root of the plants. Today we are going to study about the second part of this lesson, Unit 4, Animals and their food. Here we study about carnivores and herbivorous animals. When we look around us, you can see number of animals. Some are small animals, some are very small animals, some are big animals. Small animals are rat, squirrel, grasshopper, ant, lizard. They eat different types of food. Big animals are lion, tiger, leopard, cheetah. They eat big animals and small animals also. Now let us move to the new words of this lesson. First one is omnivores, feeding a variety of both plants and animals. Second one is canine. It is a kind of teeth. It is a long pointed teeth you can see in carnivores. Third one, sticky tongue. Tongue produces mucus which help the prey to stick on the tongue. Fourth one, swallow. Allow the food pass through the throat. First portion of this lesson, carnivorous animals. Last year also you have learned about these meat-eating animals. Meat-eating animals are called carnivorous animals. Look here, look at this picture. You can see that lion is a carnivorous animal. It eats the flesh of other animals. Some examples of carnivores are lion, tiger, snake, jackal, hyena, different types of fish. So, they are the examples of carnivores. When they open their mouth, you can see the sharp teeth. They have long, sharp canine teeth to tear the flesh of animals. When we study about the teeth of carnivores, first picture we have seen that they have long, pointed canine teeth to tear flesh. Here you can see the broad, flat back teeth also chew the flesh of other animals. Look at this picture. Here you can see hyena. Its teeth you just observe. You can see the sharp, long, pointed canine teeth and broad, flat back teeth also you can see here. The wolf also, wolf's mouth also same way you can see the long pointed teeth, and here also you can see the back teeth. It helps them to tear flesh and chew the flesh. Some carnivores, they do not chew the food. They swallow their food all. For example, snake and lizard. Look here, when they open the mouth, prey comes to the mouth. All of a sudden, it closes the mouth. They swallow the food. Same way you can see in the lizard also. They never chew the food. They swallow their food all. Some birds are also carnivorous birds. You know that birds use their beaks to feed. Here some water birds are there. Look at this picture. You can see the crane. Crane's color is white. You see that long pointed beak to catch fish. Here you can see the herons also. It has also a long pointed beak to catch fish. Where do they see? You can see in the paddy fields and near the pond also. This kind of birds you can see it. They are water birds, but they eat the flesh of other animals. So they have long thin beaks to help them to catch fish. Another birds also, they are also meat eating birds. So look at this picture, you can see the vulture and eagle. When we compare the beak of these two birds, you can see that their beaks have strong hook-like beaks. So they eat the dead bodies of animals. So it helps them to tear the flesh of animals. So next picture you can see some omnivorous animals. What are omnivorous animals? Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous animals. Look at this first picture. First one is polar bear. They eat both plants and animals. Crow also, you know that they eat seeds, grains and vegetable matter, and also they eat the flesh of other animals. Pig also same way, and fish also eat both plants and animals. Other examples are rat, they also eat both plants and animals. Human beings, you know that we eat fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals. At the same time, we eat the meat of other animals. So hen also a omnivores. So these are the examples of omnivores. Next, based on this lesson, we can do some question answer. One is, what is the difference in the structure of the teeth of herbivores and carnivores? Look here. Here, this picture you can see the buffalo. It is a herbivore. See the teeth of herbivores. It has sharp front teeth to cut grass and leaves. So we can say that they have sharp flat front teeth for cutting up grass and leaves. And here this picture you can see the lion. So see the teeth of lions. They have four long pointed canine teeth are there, and also you can see the broad flat back teeth. To help, it helps them to tear the flesh and chew the flesh also. These are the differences between carnivores and teeth of carnivores and herbivores. Second question, why do lizards and frogs have sticky tongue? Look at this picture, you can see the frog. Frog has sticky tongue which helps them to catch their food easily. Here it is, mucus is present. So with the help of mucus, prey stick on there and all of a sudden it swallow the food. Same way lizard also doing that. Lizards has sticky tongue which help them to catch their food easily. So, small exercise for you to do it after this class. So, first one is circle the odd one in each set. You find out which one is odd, that you circle it. First one, cow, wolf, rhino, kangaroo, squirrel. Second one is squirrel, tiger, fox, hyena. Third one, bear, crow, fish, snake. Fourth one, bull, horse, zebra, camel. Fifth one, roots, nuts, grass, meat. So now lesson is finished. So just to recall what are the important things you have learned from this class. First one, we have learned about small animals and big animals. Examples of small animals, grasshopper, cockroach and ant. Big animals are lion, tiger, cheetah. So they need different types of food. So carnivorous animals are meat-eating animals. Examples are lion, tiger, jackal, hyena. They are the wolf. They are the carnivores. They eat the flesh of other animals. Second one. Then next we have learned about some birds also a meat eaters. For example, heron, crane, and vulture and eagle also eat the dead bodies of other animals. Then we have learned about omnivores. Some animals eat both plants and flesh. They are called omnivores. Examples of omnivores are bear, pig, human beings, and hen. So children, you should read the textbook and write and study question answer and new words in the prayer notebook and rough notebook. Prepare the class test and see the video of herbivores and carnivores and understand what kind of food they eat. Thank you, children.
How animals are adapted to their food habits. Different animals have different adaptations depending on their food habits. The cow is a herbivore. It has large, flat teeth to chew grass. It protects itself with its horns. The goat, deer, horse, rabbit, and giraffe are some other herbivores. The cat is a carnivore. It has 4 long, sharp teeth to tear meat. Its large eyes help it to see in the dark. The dog is a carnivore too. It has a good sense of smell to help it track down prey. The tiger, lion, frog, snake, and iguana are also carnivores. Monkeys are omnivores. They have different types of teeth to eat different types of food. They can climb trees to escape their predators. We humans are omnivores. We have different types of teeth to eat different types of food. The crow, rat, duck, cockroach, hippopotamus, and chicken are some omnivores. Other animals have other adaptations for eating. Birds have different types of beaks. Look around you and see how other animals are adapted to their food habits.